Now, from your hyper-local weather source, this is your Norcast weather update. Brought to you by Comfort Now by Bob McAllister.
Hi, Comfort Bob. It's a great time to improve your air conditioner setup. Give us a call. We have specials going on right now. Rebates, tax credits, it's all available. Check out our website, iwantcomfortnow.com.
Hi everybody, meteorologist Brittany Trumpy here. We are tracking the severe weather on the way. It's going to be moving into our area really over the next hour or so. Our big concern still remains strong damaging wind gusts, but there is a small potential for some isolated tornadoes. The amount of sunshine that we saw earlier this afternoon was a big factor. That late afternoon sunshine from about 2 to 4 o'clock really gave a little bit of extra energy for these storms to use. So that's why we're seeing the potential for some of those stronger systems later on today. The time frame, again, going to be over the next hour or so is when we'll start to see that activity, and then it'll stick around till about 11 o'clock, maybe midnight. So we're seeing the potential for numerous to scattered severe thunderstorms across our area. You can see just sitting off to the west and south of our area, stretching from southern PA all the way through Baltimore, Washington, down to West Virginia and parts of Kentucky. They're seeing the opportunity for widespread severe thunderstorms. Already seen multiple tornado watches and tornado warnings down where that red shading was. Here we don't have anything just yet, but that'll be changing over the next few hours. So the big concern is strong damaging wind gusts. As these storms just roll across the area, you're going to be seeing some pretty strong straight line winds, upwards of maybe 60, 70 miles per hour. So we have that 15 to 30% chance for damaging wind gusts. The tornado threat is a concern, about 2 to 5% chance for our area. So it'll be extremely isolated activity, but you still can't rule it out. Really, the big concern is just going to be the actual straight line winds as that entire line moves across our area. So right now, things are starting to line up from about Reading down towards Lancaster and really going through Washington, D.C. right now. All of that continuing to march east. It'll be kind of crossing the state line maybe over the next 20-30 minutes. And then as we look forward to 9 o'clock, that's when the activity really starts to roll across the bay, move into South Jersey, and then slowly work its way to the coast. Now you can see once it reaches about the halfway point, as it kind of crosses from Camden County kind of into Ocean County, you're going to see the energy kind of run out, and those storms will start to fall apart just a little bit, but you're still going to see thunder, lightning, really strong downpours, heavy rain, but really the opportunity for the tornadoes and the stronger wind gusts, that's going to be further off to the west. So here's a look at those 4 factors right there. You can see the wind gust up all the way to the red category, rain just behind that. You're going to see some heavy downpours. Localized flooding is a big concern, those flood prone areas, but also a lot of creeks and rivers are sitting a little bit higher right now. We've seen a lot of rain this year, so flooding even prolonged overnight tonight and into tomorrow morning going to be a concern. Hail, not as much of an issue for this system, and of course that tornado warning up into the green category. Normally we like to keep it down towards purple or non-existent. So here's the forecast. So things really start to quiet down after about midnight, and then for the overnight hours, a couple of lingering clouds and some fog to start off tomorrow morning, as we're still seeing a lot of the moisture sticking around. Your forecast for your Tuesday looks great out there, a lot more sunshine out there. We're back up into the 80s, a few spots just slightly cooler in the upper 70s. You can see Mullica Hill, Collingswood 82 degrees, Williamstown a few degrees warmer, closer to almost 83, 84, and then down the shore you're in the upper 70s. Cape May, Avalon 80 degrees, Brigantine the same. Meanwhile, Ocean City and Upper Township looking right around 79. So the next couple of days do look a lot better, particularly when we talk about the chance for severe weather after what we saw this afternoon and what we're going to be seeing for the next few hours. We'll be looking forward to some quiet, sunny conditions for the next couple of days. Next weekend looks really good. Thursday we might see a chance for some scattered storms. I hope you stay safe. Again, we're tracking those storms really starting to ramp up right now. I would say the next 3-4 hours is when we're going to be seeing the most activity, so make sure you just hunker down. If you had plans to go out this evening, maybe just stay home and keep an eye on the weather app, or an eye on the sky, so to say, as we continue to track these storms. Okay, I hope you guys stay safe. I'll be seeing you later on tonight.